everybody. Happy Tuesday. I'm back. I have my voice back. Super exciting. All right, as you guys are popping on. Hello. I will say that Style by Lit, if you guys are new here, Style by Lit is our sister account. They are in the comments right now, and they're going to be saying all of the items that I'm wearing, all the items that I'm talking about, also the one that I'm wearing, and the prices too, so you can kind of keep track and see what we're talking about, see what everything is. But what I'm showing you are things that are dropping in the stores this morning. So we do these like little live unboxing videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, which are the days that items get dropped into the stores every week, and you get to see like them firsthand before anybody sees them in the store. So super fun. Hello everybody. All right, so I'm just gonna get started. We don't have a lot today. Sometimes I feel like my rack is full, but the things that I am gonna show you, I feel like you need to get like right now because they are so just like patriotic and perfect for summer. So hi everybody. So I'll start with what I'm wearing first, which I think this is so cute. I'll show you up close. It's a little mini dress. It has little white stars on it. So this is where it lands on me. I'm wearing a medium. I will say it doesn't have a lot of like stretch to it, but it's very, very comfortable. And what's really cute about like this little style is that it actually can go kind of like off shoulder too, and you could wear it kind of like this, which would be super cute with like little heels or something. But then also I want to show you what's really, really neat about this dress. So this is the medium. At first I thought it looked really, really big, especially in the chest area, the bust area. And then I noticed this whole area up front here, it's all funneled. So this string right here, I'll show you, if you pull it, you can literally pull it to be as tight or as like loose as you want it. So if you have a little bit of a bigger bust, you can definitely like adjust this. So I'm just gonna tie this up real quick for you guys, but I wanted to show you that this is adjustable. It's not a very cute bow, but that will do. But this is really cool. So that way you can have like a larger chest area, or you can even tighten it to have your sleeves down and kind of have everything still being held up. So I thought that was really cute. So I'll show you. This is what it looks like on the hanger. Of course, perfect for 4th of July, but also I just feel like all throughout the summer, there's like, you know, concerts happening again. I feel like this, even with some like little cowgirl boots, could be really cute. Or even with like white, like the white sandal heels that we just got from Bellini, super cute. And it has a zipper on the side too to help put it on. So really cute, really comfy. Love. All right, you can see on my rack here today, our theme is red, white, and blue. So I'll start actually over here. So this is a another bandana like tie top. Really, really like in right now. I feel like we keep getting these and you guys keep buying them, like selling them out. So this one I'll show you up close. It's navy blue. You can see it has stars on it too, and they're a little bit shinier. So it's not like in your face. Like red, white, and blue or like patriotic, it's still kind of cool. So ties in the back, very sleek, very beautiful. Pair this with like white pants or even jeans. I feel like this is really cute. Also like tie tops are super in right now. You guys have been loving these. So we got another one, nice, easy breezy, super light material. You can see the pattern is really cute. It's like a light blue material. It has a little bit of a fun like polka dot design, button sleeves right here. I can't put my hand in. Button sleeve, elastic waistband, collar, and then it does tie, but I'll show you, it actually does not separate though, so it doesn't like completely come undone. It has like a nice little like detail right here. Up next, we have, I think we've had these before, but they're like amazing. So these are the Nova High Rise from Pistola, the cutoffs. Super cute, nice wash. It's kind of like one of their lighter washes. Super fun and easy for summer. Everyone needs like a good jean short. So, and then you can see this one has like the distressing, like fringe bottom, which I think is just fun and just like very like all American. And lastly, these are super cool. This is from the Crypt. You guys remember the Crypt? You guys loved the Crypt. So these are like half sweatpant material, not even, a little bit more than half. With a little bit of like jean, like denim. detailing, which I think is really fun and really cool because like patchwork and just like color blocking is so in. And these are gonna be awesome for like when you want to be dressy and want to wear like jeans. It's kind of like that whole like athleisure thing. I feel like you can throw these on with like a little like, oh, you can do so many things with this. I feel like a work shirt, French top with some heels. You could wear it with sneakers and a little crop top. You could put it with this bandana top. Like these could go with so many different things. So I'll show you up close. One pant leg is like a nice white sweatpant material, and this is the back. Really fun, really cool. So I see some hearts for this one. Awesome. Well, that is what I have for you guys. All landing in stores today, but definitely come and visit us. Come get all of your 4th of July into summer wardrobe. It's Hot Girl Summer officially as of like yesterday. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.